Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another 3D printed blaster review with the YEHW by Captain Slug. This is a Hammer Prime 5-barrel revolver. I'm really excited for this episode, so let's get right into it. Alright, so starting off, I just really like the color scheme that I picked, and just the overall design of this blaster. It makes it look really cool. And you can see up here, I have the little iron sights that I had on my caliber a while back. So, like I mentioned before, this is the YEHW, which stands for Your Every Hammer Shot Wish. And this might not be my every hammer shot wish, but it's definitely extremely close. There's a few things that I like about this blaster, such as again, the cool design and color scheme. But then there's a few things that I don't particularly like about this blaster. So the first thing I don't like about this blaster is the spring. The prime is easy enough. See, it's in the locked back position here. And the way this blaster works is when it's locked back like this, an arm on the trigger is then set up against this. And then when you pull the trigger, it pushes that arm against this. And so you have to pull really hard on this trigger just to get this out of the lock position. And I mean, that kind of ruins this blaster for me because like you cannot use this quickly at all. And lastly is these little black parts. Alright, first shot. Alright. Alright, so that one didn't fire. This piece is kind of peeling apart when the spring is compressed. Alright, that one fired. That one did not fire. And that one also did not fire. Okay, that one didn't fire. Alright, that one did. So did that one. In closing, I think this blaster is awesome, and if you were willing to spend a little free time and throw some money out the window, you could definitely fix the issues that I have with this blaster, and you could definitely make this part of your S tier loadout. But again, with the heavy prime, the even heavier trigger, and the very questionable seal, realistically, you wouldn't bring this to any Nerf event just because this thing is impractical. And if this was like a last ditch, kind of like last resort type blaster, you might as well just forfeit because you're not going anywhere with this. I say that because darts will hardly ever come out of the barrel unless you hand pick your darts, which I did that during the firing demo. No, that does not mean that I faked the video, but I knew that there were issues with the seal, and I wanted to see how it performs. And before I close, I want to do something a little different that I haven't really done before. I want to ask you, the viewer, what you think I should feature in my next video, like 3D printed blaster or just a stock blaster. And I'm going to be picking one comment from each video, so make sure you comment down below. And I'll be picking one comment from each video, and I will be using that as an idea for my next or an upcoming video. So make sure you guys comment down below, and while you're down there, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. No, you don't want to play with it? Ooh. You want to get the Nerf dart? Ooh. You upgraded the color. Oh, really?